Mobility scooter safety tips for beginners. Ride smart, ride safe. For mobility scooter beginners, safety tips include practicing skills in a controlled environment, staying aware of surroundings, and following traffic laws. Beginners should also check their scooter's battery and maintenance before each use, avoid distractions, and use proper braking and turning techniques. It's important to dress appropriately and be visible, especially on slippery or uneven surfaces, and always give pedestrians the right of way. Before you ride, read the manual. Familiarize yourself with the specific features and limitations of your scooter. Check your scooter. Before each use, check the tire pressure, lights, and battery charge to ensure the scooter is in good working order. Know the rules. Understand local regulations, such as whether your scooter is permitted on sidewalks or roads, and remember to always yield to pedestrians. Plan your route. Plan a route with safe crossings and clear paths to avoid hazardous areas. While you ride, stay alert. Avoid distractions like using your phone or being in a large group. Keep your full attention on your surroundings to spot obstacles and other people. Control your speed. Go slowly, especially in new or unfamiliar areas, and when navigating tight corners or crowded spaces. Be prepared to stop suddenly. Brake smoothly. Practice gentle braking to avoid jolts that could make you unstable. Be visible. Wear bright clothing or use a safety flag to increase your visibility to others. Yield to pedestrians. Always give pedestrians the right of way, and be extra cautious around children. Watch your surroundings. Be mindful of uneven pavement, potholes, and wet or icy surfaces, which can be hazardous. Cross streets carefully. Use crosswalks and pedestrian signals when possible. Look both ways before crossing and make eye contact with drivers to ensure they see you. Use hand signals. If on the road, use hand signals or turn signals to communicate your intentions to others. Be courteous. Be a polite and courteous pedestrian, and be mindful of the space you take up on sidewalks. In case of an emergency, if your scooter stops, turn the key to the off position for a few seconds, then turn it back on. If there's still no power, check the manual lever to make sure it's in drive mode, not freewheel mode. For unexpected issues, if the problem continues, turn the scooter off, remove the battery, if possible, wait 10 seconds, and reattach it before trying again. If you are still having trouble, consult the manual or contact the manufacturer.